Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I want to share with you the next set of dies I received from Crealies. This is a company out of Holland, and I did post a previous video as well as a tutorial on these. These are the ones from the reveal from the tutorial. I tried to get it up sooner, but things just got busy and I wasn't able to get it up sooner. So here I am now, and I just wanted to show you what I got. And if you have any questions on the others, I'll link everything down below so you can check it out. So let's get started. So this is Clote 35. And this is how pretty this one is. And again, just like the first ones I got, you can order the matching mini ones to do the smaller pockets like that. And what I did differently this time, on my previous ones, I made them so they actually flipped up like this. So these ones here, I did it a little differently because I wanted to be able to see a better side-by-side comparison when you take the dies, depending on how you use them. So like if you use it this way, you get that, and if you flip it around, you get it that way. So I thought this kind of showed a little better how different the two looks are with just the same die. There's that one. Super pretty. I absolutely love these. Again, shipping time was just the same. I think it was a day later or something like that. And that was only because I think I ordered over the weekend. So here's this one. This is Clote 33. There's that. Super pretty. I absolutely love it this way here. So if you were to do a pocket just like that. So pretty. I think the paper also helps if you're using pretty papers or something that shows a lot of contrast like this. I think that really helps. So you can really see how pretty they are. Oops. And this one is also pretty. Again, this one I think literally the paper just made it super pretty. And then all the little pockets too. You can stick tags and stuff in. But these are just my samples. This way, if I'm making an album and I want to decide which die to use, I've got samples so I already know my look. This one here too. I love this one. So pretty. I'll link you down below how to where you can go to order these. If you are confused with the website, check out my video I made on the tutorial. I do know people were confused as to how to order them on the site, switching it to English. So I do show you how to do it there. There's this one, and this one's Clote 34. And that's this one. Super pretty as well. And then again, if the mini ones are Clote 36, you do get a package of 4. And I just so happened to make sure that I had ordered the 4 large that go with the pack for the 4 small ones. Anyway, if you like what you see, I would love it if you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave them down below and I will answer those for you. And anyway, till next time guys, happy crafting. Bye!